What we did was, so far, so we did the home button, which is a start screen, okay? We were able to, if you click on home button, okay, you should see your graphic there, alrighty? And so remember, it only saves PSD files, okay? So here is what we created. And then we saved it, file, save a copy, okay? And you got to make sure that this is a Photoshop document. And then it'll say save to cloud, okay? And then you press save, okay? And then it should show up right here. And then you take a screenshot. When you press home, you do that. Then we did learn, okay? You should take a screenshot of this. And now we are going to go to the final one, your files, okay? And that is this right here. Click on that, and I will have a bunch of files, but you should see your file that you created if you're able to save on the dock in the cloud. If not, then just take a picture of the blank screen, okay? Just take a picture of this and paste it on here. And then once you're done, please submit it. Wow, that is some good artwork there, bro. Braden, good work. Okay. Naomi, you got competition here. That's really good. Okay. Huh?